Open Montessori, take one.
It's springtime at New School Montessori, and as we have done the past 3 years, we're having an Open Montessori workshop. Open Montessori is a 5-day workshop led by industry professionals, and it exposes our students to new technologies.
This is a great week because they get to step out of their usual schedule and routine and really focus on one subject.
The focus of this week is e-commerce. What makes e-commerce so interesting is that it sits right at the crossroads of a lot of important technologies, including artificial intelligence, digital photography and image editing, marketing and sales, analytics. All of these skills are part of this workshop.
I love the theme of e-commerce because I think the kids really need to see that that is the future of probably many products that we all buy and sell.
The power of this week really is kind of seeing behind the curtain of what a lot of our students are experiencing every day.
Throughout these 5 days, the students are building their website, photographing product, writing compelling descriptions and advertisements to post online. We are launching a little pop-up store on Friday, so within a very short amount of time, they're really doing a lot.
Of the 3 workshops that we've done, this is the most real world.
The Montessori curriculum for middle school includes an area called entrepreneurship. Many of the Open Montessori workshops that we've done have really integrated that whole idea of sort of learning a new skill, being able to apply that skill and possibly making it a business if they wanted to in the future.
So the Open Montessori workshop is actually an opportunity to explore ways that technology could be taught in a Montessori classroom, in a Montessori way.
This week I learned how to make a website, how to advertise to people.
We got to design our own store, so that's pretty cool.
I think my favorite part was taking the photos, and it was really interesting to see how little changes could just make such big differences.
Well, these was really fun. I love getting to be creative and do all this stuff.
And how successful would you say the shop is?
Like a 10 out of 10.
Overall, it was a success, and we've got quite a few sales. The kids are excited. I would really like these workshops to continue. I think that they're an excellent opportunity for us to think about things in a different way.
If they walk away with a new skill or just a more open mind, I think that's really the goal for us. I can't wait to see what the kids do with what they learned and how they apply it in the upcoming months and hopefully years.
That's a wrap.